thought I was out here flexing hard. Look at that. Bye-bye. Okay, that's the new fastest for me. We're heading up to Cottonwood. This is our main stop, and I am hype. I'm so excited. Because this is where it's gonna get actually fun. I'm pretty sure we're going up there. I'm not 100% certain. We might be going up back there. All I know is that Cottonwood goes up to 12,000 feet, and we're like at 9,000 or something like that. So we have a ways to climb. And here we are at the Cottonwood proper. This is such a good driving road. Absolutely beautiful, nice and fast, but like smooth fast. It's awesome. The issue is there's bikes and cars, because everybody likes it. And we're stuck behind slow traffic, but we go bye-bye Tahoe! And now we're back. Into the fun part. I'm gonna put the camera down and drive. Oh, wait. We got a Outback. Ooh, the Outback's pulled over for us. How nice. That's not an Outback, but they still pulled over and got done nice for us. Thank you. Thank you. We go fast. Bye-bye. I want to blow the doors off Archer. I just need a spot to pass. He's got twin turbo, so he's got a power advantage on me up here, I think. But he also weighs about 1,000 pounds more than me. Maybe even a little more, because that is a big car and this is not. This section is fun, if we didn't have traffic. I hate traffic. Traffic, you suck! We had a good thing going for a little bit. Oh, here we are. Cottonwood Pass. Gorgeous up here. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, I've got a special surprise that I've been waiting to show everybody. So, between the last view and this one, I bought a drone from Danny. And I'm gonna go get some photos. So we're gonna get drone shots in 3, 2, 1. I love this place. So Danny went down early because he had to get back, but he said I can keep using the Porsche up until I get back to his house. So we're gonna go that way and then back this way. I love Colorado. Look at these views. Oh, Kevin's gone. Bye, Kevin. Okay, there is like no traffic on this stretch of road. Like we've had nothing since we turned on here. And it's insane. Like, everybody just stops at the peak. We've seen 3 cars. One of them we passed right at the beginning. We've had nothing since we turned on here. And this is the better part of the road, I think. Poor Danny went home. There's our first car. It's Mary Kay. I think that's the Mary Kay Cadillac. Yeah, that's the Mary Kay Cadillac. Holy shit. I'm posting this. And we say bye-bye. See ya! Okay, a quick pull off here to just cool our engines. We're gonna go down about another 3 or 4 miles. There's a spot I want to take photos, and then we're gonna go get food. This is a fun thing.
I'm gonna spray this off after. I've never cleaned the engine compartment. So.
Never cleaned it? That is clean for never cleaning it.
Corvette, clean the air.
Look at that, we got lake. Lakes are pretty. Anyway, next is food. I will see you at food. Okay, we're here at Eddie Line Brewing for lunch, and it's a long wait, but I'm hungry, so I'm gonna do it. 'Cause I'm really hungry.
We're in the magic bubble now.
Little bit of a vacuum cleaner. Gas stop number 2 for the day for this car. White boys. What the f? Thing's just dumping gas. This is the slowest pump in the world. This is pricey as hell. Totally worth it. It's still pricey. Okay, I got gas, full tank. We are now headed back home. We're taking the longer way home. It's much more scenic because it's better that way. I will probably be getting back to my dorm room about 6 p.m., maybe even a little bit later. I know I'm getting back to Danny's to return this about, oh Lord, I don't even know when, probably 5? Yeah, it's gonna be it's a long drive and I'm excited. Or I'm not excited, I'm happy. Yeah. Y'all like my very ghetto route navigation holder? My phone was starting to overheat, so I'm just like, I'll throw it right there. It fits in the cup holder, barely. Plus now it shows me where we're going. Works. We're headed through towards Leadville on one of the most gorgeous views I've ever seen. It doesn't even feel like the same state because this is like rocks as opposed to the trees that we've been dealing with all day. And it's what I love about Colorado, one of the many things. So this part of Colorado we're driving through is kind of like the weird empty part of the mountains. We're sitting up here at like 8,000 feet altitude. But it definitely doesn't feel like 8,000 feet altitude. It's also really bumpy. But like it's big bumps, it's not da-da-da-da-da-da bumps. It feels like you're in the middle of the plains. Cows! It feels like you're in the middle of the plains, but yeah, no, that's snow on that mountain that's only about 2,000 feet above where we are now. So we're like 9,000 feet. It doesn't feel like it at all. So while we're heading back down the mountain, I just want to recap some of my thoughts on the 911. When people say there's nothing like a 911, there really is nothing like a 911. Like, you can't describe the way it is. From the way it drives, the way it feels, grip, power. Power-wise, it's kind of down there, but it's like the perfect synchronization. And there's nothing like a 911 in the driving experience. And now I really, really want one. I was dead set on getting a Mustang as my next car, and now I kind of want one of these instead. What have you done to me, Danny? I'm an American fanboy. I like American loud muscle cars. And then there's this. This is a German sports car that's just a pure sex machine, and I want it more than anything. Anyways, we have views like that right now. That's a pretty good view. I have never met an easier car to heel toe than this. Plus with that noise, man, that's a noise that you can die for. I need one of these. I need a 911, guys. I really do. It's such a good noise. Cop. Lower the camera. Fine. Welcome to Leadville. I'm just kidding, I don't think this is Leadville. I think this is like one of those weird cluster towns that's outside of Leadville. Welcome to whatever town this is. No, actually, I'm pretty sure this is Leadville. This is Leadville for sure. I don't know what, that was like a little bit back, but yeah, this is Leadville for sure. I know that. We're about to get onto one of my favorite views for a road. ETA back to Morrison, 5:47. Back to Greeley, 7:30-ish, maybe. I hope I can get back before the dining hall closes, basically. I don't think I'm gonna get back before the dining hall closes. I will be lucky if I can make it back before Gourmet to Go closes. Gourmet to Go is basically, you missed the dining hall, sucks for you. Here's a sandwich. And if I can get back before that closes, I will be happy. If I can't, well, I'm just going hungry tonight, or I'm gonna eat myself like some cereal or something for dinner. I have ramen, I might make myself ramen. We'll see. Very construction. playing. They have no clue what's going on. Where's Borden Construction? Our cars sound good and we're Borden Construction, therefore we make fun noises. Plus, also I just learned this car has enough torque to like rotate the chassis. And I love that. I love cars that can do that. But I don't know why we're stopped here. That's where we're turning. I don't know what we're doing here and why we're stopped. And it's really annoying. And we are now leaving the pretty town of Leadville and getting back onto the fun part of the drive. Fun. It's just highway road tripping, but it's fun because I'm in a Porsche and that automatically makes life better. Stoplight. Let's go. Pulls like a freight train. Sounds amazing. We give Jeep a go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I'm just gonna keep in it. On flat. I'm sorry to the BMW Miata behind me. I kind of left y'all behind. But you got up. It's fine. One of the many interesting things to see over here, if we can see it, are the crazy turquoise lakes over there. There we go. The crazy turquoise lakes. That was the best view you got of the crazy turquoise lakes right there. There it is. They're crazy. They're turquoise. They're very pretty again. Okay, here we are on I-70. We've done order switch ups. We're just mobbing home now. Oh, we get to go through the Continental Divide in a Porsche with a big tunnel, and I'm hyped. Yes! Come on, M4, you're like killing our vibe. We were cruising and you just went and plunked yourself in front of us and didn't move. Come on, man. Get out of the way. Thank you. And then M4. M4, go bye-bye. Into the tunnel we go. The greatest place to do this. Such a noise. Taking it to Redline and Johnson Tunnel? Yes, please. I love it. I need a Porsche. And we're now out on the other side of the Continental Divide. I've been over the Continental Divide twice today. Once in Cottonwood and once right there. So I'm able to catch these two. Now we're passing over Georgetown. I've kind of been separated from the guys. The other guys in the cruise, they're up there. Right there. I don't know how to get to them. Because this traffic sucks. That's why it's showing 5:57 as opposed to the 5:45 when we left. It took me a little bit, but I got caught up. I just kind of had to finagle my way through traffic. That's the word I'm going to use. I have the waypoint set to the wrong spot. The new time for me to be getting back to Danny's is 6:06. Yeah. I'm not going to be getting back to the dorm room until like 7:15. I'm just gonna go straight to food and then I'll take that back to the dorm room as opposed to going to the dorm room and then going food. Yeah. This would be why it says it's gonna take another 20 minutes. It's going all the way through. It's off the map. So yeah, while this traffic happens, I'm just gonna sit here, roll up my window. Really, why did that not go up? He's out. I will pick it up when we're out of traffic or if something big happens. Okay, I have an update. It went from 6:06 to 6:16. That's not a good update, but it's an update. Okay, it's like 5 minutes later and I haven't done anything and the time is just dropping. It went from 6:19 to 5:59. And when I started this video, it was on 606. Now it's back up to 6. What's going on? Traffic is not my friend at all. Oh yes. Here we go, tunnel number 2. Oh yeah. That was worth it. I'm childish and I don't care. Ready, one final pull. Oh, car. This car. I hope I can make at least one person laugh. Oh, the Elantra in front of us. Hey, go. Tunnel pulls are always worth it. They are always worth it. I think we might be in the clear. I think we're in the clear a little bit. At least we're moving faster than 5. This is fast as I've gone in like 30 minutes. I started a timer 21 minutes ago. Stop, reset. That's cool. Yeah, I think we're finally out of it. Let's go! No more traffic. I made a wrong turn and we're not going to talk about it. Okay. One final mini tunnel pull. Go! Okay, I'm hearing an airplane flying around above, and I'm like 99% sure that's CSP. So that's fun. Yeah, because CSP has a plane and they like to patrol this stretch with a plane. And yeah, CSP and planes. I'm doing the speed limit. It's fine. That right there is the speed limit. Actually, it's 75, but it's fine. Here we are. Oh, yeah, the Boxster's back. Cool. I'm gonna pull it right into the driveway for him. All right, there's the Porsche, all locked up and ready to go. Man, I didn't realize I'd want one of those that bad. All right, I'm back in my car. Yeah, that Gourmet to Go closes at 7:30 and it's saying 7:41 arrival. So if I can shave 15 minutes off my time, which I don't think I can, I think I might just get Subway or something like that. Or I'll eat cereal or ramen or something. We'll see. But yeah, let's get back to the dorm room. There it is, North Hall with all of its cool staircaseness.